Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's exciting Zoom interview. I'm thrilled to be your host today, and we have a fantastic guest with us. She's not only a passionate food enthusiast, but also the brilliant author of the book Into the World of Food. Joining us is the incredibly talented Miti Shah. Miti, thank you for being here with us today, and I really welcome you with a big heart. Okay, so tell us about yourself and a little bit about your book to our audience.
So, as you all know, my name is Miti Shah. I am a student from class 8 and I am studying in Shahid Bishant Singh Memorial School. So, if I talk about my book, its name is Into the World of Food. We can say it is the first book written by me. And in this book, I had mentioned everything about food, like why should we not waste food? What is the effect of foreign food on our Indians, on Indian food? Its publicity is decreasing, and many more. So, for knowing more about my book, please visit Bookalooza and please buy my book.
That's a lovely introduction, and I also, would request all my viewers to check this out at our bookstore. And it's a very interesting book, so you can grab a copy. And this new year, why not, start reading a good book? Okay. So, what's your favorite hobby or pastime?
For my favorite hobby, I can say reading and writing. Not only storybooks, not only books. I had wrote many poems as well.
Okay.
I hadn't published it or something, but it is my one of the hobby. And watching television like everyone's hobby.
Okay. So, like book writing is your hobby, and do you like cooking food? You like playing some, you have a special sport in your mind, something like that also?
Yes, for that also I play badminton, and I play good that, and I had won many zonal competitions also for badminton.
That's great, super. Okay. So, your book title is very impressive. And if your book could attend a fancy dress party, what food costume would it wear to steal the show?
According to me, it should must wear a pizza costume because it is my favorite food, and I know it is unhealthy and fast food, but what's wrong in eating at least once in a
Okay. So you are supporting your, favorite item, that, okay, this is my favorite food item and this is why you should eat. So there is no harm in eating that once a while. Okay, great. So what do you like? Like what kind of pizza you like? You like vegetarian, non-vegetarian? What special is your, pizza?
For me, it is chili paneer pizza because it is my favorite kind of pizza. I like others also, but chili paneer added more.
Okay, great. So, in fancy dress party, we can see that your food costume would be pizza. Okay, great, lovely. So it must be in the form of slices. Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions and you need to answer them as short as possible. Okay, so what would you choose out of these two, pickle or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Why? Why not pickle?
Pickle, as most of the pickle are sour in taste, and I don't like sour things. And chocolate, everyone likes chocolate.
Okay.
Or
Also like. Okay. What's your favorite chocolate?
caramel chocolate.
Oh wow, caramel. Okay, great. And banana or pizza?
Obviously, pizza.
So, if I ask you, like, you like pizza a lot, so is it like you really don't like fruits, or is it something like out of these items you would choose pizza and you like fruits also?
If we don't eat fruits, it's a good healthy food, and fruits are nutritious, protein, and whatever. So fruits are very helpful also, and I'm not saying they are not tasty in taste, but out of banana and pizza, I'll choose pizza because banana, that fruit I don't like. My favorite fruit is mango.
And out of zombie or unicorn, what would you choose?
Unicorn.
Unicorn. Okay, great. Okay, so then I have got one riddle for you. It is a very popular riddle, so I believe that you must know. And so, what has cities but no houses, forests, no trees, rivers,
But no waters. It's a bit typical, but I know its answer. It's a map.
Oh wow. I think you know about it, or your IQ is too good, or maybe you have read it somewhere in your GK book, something like that.
Yes, I read it in my GK book, and our GK teacher also told us about this.
Great. Okay, which is your favorite destination? Like, where do you want to go and enjoy your holidays if given a chance?
Paris,
Paris.
France.
What do you like about that place?
Eiffel Tower, because it is famous all over the world, and being a French student, being taught French, I know much about France, and the people of France are very kind-hearted and warm-hearted. I just want to meet them also once, and I want to see Eiffel Tower and the some famous museums in France.
Okay, so you like shopping also, because Paris is famous for shopping also.
Yes, Paris is very famous for fashion, and yes, I love shopping.
Okay, so there are good brands like
Coco Chanel.
yeah, Zara, all that. Yeah, great. Super impressed. Okay, so who is your favorite actor or actress whom you would choose in your own movie?
My favorite actor is Kartik Aaryan, and my favorite actress is Kiara Advani. And I would like to choose them only if I get a chance to make my own movie.
Okay, your own movie. Okay, great. So, can you do an acting of anyone in this world? Can you mimic anyone in the world?
Yes, I would like to mimic my one of the teacher. She's an English teacher and very cool type and beautiful, and teaches really very nice. She whenever she talk to anyone, she just say dear student or darling, and she talks like that. That is very heart touching.
Oh wow, that's great. So that's really great. I believe that when your English teacher is going to watch this interview session, she is going to be super impressed with the words you have spoken about her. So thank you so much. I mean, young children like you, if you just respect your teachers, it gives them a very good feeling that yes, our students are giving us the kind of respect we deserve. So it's really good on your part. Thank you. Okay, so any last question of this interview session? Any message for our audience?
Yes, so dear audience, Bookalooza is a very good platform. It consists of all of the things you want, and please visit Bookalooza, create your own book. It is just like think, write, and publish and earn. It's very easy. Please go on Bookalooza, write your own book, and become a young author. Thank you.
That's such a lovely message. So we are going to wrap up this session now. So Miti, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, insights, experiences, and the lovely answers you gave. And to our audience, just check out her book, which is available at our bookstore, and grab a copy of the Into the World of Food, and the link is given in the description box below, and immerse yourself in the delectable world Miti has crafted for us. And until next time, keep savoring the moments both in life and on your plate. This is Amita Wadhwani signing off from this delicious rendezvous. Take care, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye, Miti. Bye. Take care.